10th Standard Social Science Solved Model Paper 2. This video consists of 40 multiple choice questions. The Diwani rights over Bengal to the British was accorded by Shah Alam first, Shah Alam second, Jahangir, Mir Qasim. Correct answer is B. Shah Alam second. This incident was a major setback to Marathas. The Peshwa agreed to the subsidiary alliance. The death of Narayana Rao, the death of Madhav Rao, the Third Anglo-Maratha War. Correct answer is C. The death of Madhav Rao. Sanskrit College in Banaras was started by Charles Grant, Macaulay, Warren Hastings, Jonathan Duncan. Correct answer is D. Jonathan Duncan. The first Anglo-Mysore War came to an end by the Treaty of Mangalore, Treaty of Salbai, Treaty of Madras, Treaty of Srirangpatna. Correct answer is C. Treaty of Madras. Cow Protection Association was started by Brahma Samaj, Satyashodak Samaj, Prarthana Samaj, Arya Samaj. Correct answer is D. Arya Samaj. The leader of Kanpur revolt was Mangal Pandey, Bahadur Shah II, Nana Sahib, Tatya Tope. Correct answer is C. Nana Sahib. The article that gave special status to backward areas in Karnataka is Article 371J, Article 372J, Article 371A, Article 373J. Correct answer is A. Article 371J. The principle of eye for an eye in foreign policy was followed by Lal Bahadur Shastri and Jawaharlal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri and A.B. Vajpayee, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is D. Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi. The Tashkent Agreement was signed between India and China, India and Russia, India and Pakistan, India and USA. Correct answer is C. India and Pakistan. Untouchability is a heinous expression of caste system and it is the hatefulest expression of caste, was said by Jawaharlal Nehru, ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ B.R. Ambedkar, Jyotiba Phule. Correct answer is B. Gandhiji. A study of circular migration is done in Footloosers, The Republic, Gulamagiri, Young India. Correct answer is A. Footloosers. The largest physical division of India is the Peninsular Plateau, the Northern Mountains, the Northern Great Plains, the Coastal Plains and Islands. Correct answer is A. The Peninsular Plateau. The convectional rain occurs in Uttar Pradesh is known as mango showers, Kala Baisakis, Andis, coffee blossom. Correct answer is C. Andis. This soil is also known as Regur soil, laterite soil, red soil, alluvial soil, black soil. Correct answer is D. Black soil. The state of India which has the largest area under forests is Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. The longest tributary of river Ganga is A. Yamuna, B. Gagra, C. Gandak, D. Ramganga. Correct answer is A. Yamuna. A method of farming in which a large amount of capital and labor are applied per unit of land is called mixed farming, intensive farming, sedentary farming, dry farming. Correct answer is B. Intensive farming. The sex ratio of India as per the census of 2011 is 950, 957, 946, 943. Correct answer is D. 943. A uniform system of Panchayat Raj institution throughout the country was established as per Article 17, 51, 24, 73. Correct answer is D. 73. The bank account in which the deposit amount cannot be withdrawn before the expiry of the term is term or fixed deposit account, recurring deposit account, current account, savings account. Correct answer is A. Term or fixed deposit account. Vernacular Press Act was enacted by Lord Cornwallis, Lord Ripon, Lord Lytton, Lord Curzon. Correct answer is C. Lord Lytton. The periodicals started by Mahatma Gandhi were ಮೂಕನಾಯಕ and ಬಹಿಷ್ಕೃತ ಭಾರತ, ನ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ and ಕಾಮನ್ವೆಲ್ತ್, ಯಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ and ಹರಿಜನ್, ಕೇಸರಿ and ಮರಾಠ. Correct answer is C. Young India and Harijan. India Independence League was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose, Captain Lakshmi Sehgal, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rash Bihari Bose. Correct answer is D. Rash Bihari Bose. The accession of this princely state is different from all the other accessions. Hyderabad, Junagadh, Jammu and Kashmir, Goa. Correct answer is C. Jammu and Kashmir. The UN General Body adopted the Human Rights Declaration on 1945, 1961, 1948, 1947. Correct answer is C. 1948. The organ which is known as the Cabinet of UNO is Economic and Social Council, General Assembly, Security Council, Trusteeship Council. Correct answer is C. Security Council. The organization of UNO that received Nobel Award is UNICEF, IMF, UNESCO, IBRD. A Pico movement of Karnataka started in Tehri Garhwal, Salyani, Udupi, Palghat. Correct answer is B. Salyani. The toll-free number of children is 1092, 1098, 1900, 1009. Correct answer is B. 1098. The oldest port of India is Ennore, Kochi, Chennai, Kolkata. Correct answer is C. Chennai. Manchester of India is Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Kochi. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. The recurring disaster in India is flood, tropical cyclones, earthquakes, landslides. Correct answer is A. Flood. The Consumer Protection Act came into force on 1961, 1948, 1986, 2004. Correct answer is C. 1986. The leader of Surapura rebellion was Venkatappa Nayaka, Krishna Nayaka, Pedda Nayaka, Veerappa. Correct answer is A. Venkatappa Nayaka. The Wadayar of Mysore, who started schools for untouchable children, was Krishnaraja Wadayar III, Doddadevaraja Wadayar, Chikkadevaraja Wadayar, Chamaraja Wadayar 10th. Correct answer is D. Chamaraja Wadayar 10th. Article 19 says about the establishment of minority educational institutions, the protection of cultural rights of the minorities, right to speak and right to express, education interest of scheduled caste and tribes. Correct answer is C. Right to speak and right to express. The largest producer of wheat in India is Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. The revolutionary organization started in USA was Anushilan Samiti, Lotus and Dagger, Gadar Party, Abhinava Bharat. Correct answer is C. Gadar Party. Swaraj Party was founded by Motilal Nehru and Ambedkar, Motilal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, C.R. Das and Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. Correct answer is Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. The words secular and socialist were added to the Constitution as per 43rd Amendment, 26th Amendment, 42nd Amendment, 24th Amendment. Correct answer is